Hi everyone, hope you are well and safe. So in this video, I'm going to basically answer a lot of the questions that I have been receiving about the platform which I am using for charting, which is TradingView. Now, as requested, I'll be going through basically the various plans that TradingView has and basically explain more about each one of the plans and their respective advantages. And then I will go through the various indicators that I personally have on my chart. And I believe that they provide me with enough information to make the appropriate decisions in terms of entry, exit, and the various decisions that I need to make when trading on the stock market or even in crypto. So I will start by giving you an overview of the plans. Then I will go ahead and discuss how to add the indicators, how to set them up, and basically how it will all look exactly the same like what I have right here on this chart. Okay, so here's basically the various plans that TradingView have. Okay, and I will be discussing how you can get additional discounts, much more discounts beyond what is indicated right here shortly afterwards. But basically they have 4 different plans. The first plan is the basic plan, then they have Pro plan, they have Pro Plus, and then they have Premium. The basic plan provides a trader with basically, I believe it's up to 3 indicators per chart. The moment you actually try to put a fourth, it does not allow you to do anything basically. It asks you to upgrade to the next plan. So this plan is actually free of charge. Okay. Now the next plan is the Pro plan, and it typically goes for $155 per year. And as I mentioned, I'll be telling you more about how to get more discounts. And then this plan allows you to receive or add 5 indicators per chart, 2 charts in one window, and 10 server-side alerts along with other options. Now the next one is the Pro Plus plan, and the Pro Plus plan is basically the plan which I personally use and have, and that goes typically for $299 per year, and it allows you to put 10 indicators per chart, 4 charts in one layout, 30 server side alerts, and so forth. Now the final plan that they have is the Premium plan, and that Premium plan normally goes for $599 per year, and it allows you to have 25 indicators per chart, 8 charts in one layout, and 400 server-side alerts, and so forth. Now, personally, I believe this premium plan is a bit of an overkill. I do not need to have 25 indicators per chart. However, that's only me. If you're the kind of trader who likes to have so many indicators on your chart in order to allow you to better assess a certain stock or a certain crypto, then this may be the plan that works best for you. So it's basically a decision that you need to make for your own self. Now, if you want to learn more about the various features that each one of these plans have and compare and contrast, then you just scroll down this web page, and it will tell you all the detail about these various plans and what they offer and what they don't offer. So the offering and the limitation. Now, let's go back here and talk about the Pro Plus plan, for instance, since that's the plan that I have, and how you can receive additional discounts. So basically, if you decide to go ahead with the Pro Plus plan, what I recommend that you do is, first of all, get a subscription for the first month, and the first month would typically cost you $24.95. So you can then test, play around, and try the software and see whether you like it or not, and then assess accordingly whether it's the right fit or not. Now, the thing is, or the caveat or the catch here is that the moment you upgrade, or the moment you subscribe to the first month, TradingView immediately offers you a 50% discount in case you decide to upgrade to an annual plan. So whatever is indicated here for $300 or $299, you're going to actually pay $150. So you're paying for 6 months instead of a whole year. Okay, so there you go. You've saved $150 on this plan right away. Now, another thing that you can benefit from is if you go to any of my videos, okay, and in this case, let's take, for example, this video that I uploaded yesterday night about an ECA. In every video, in the description, you will notice that there's a section called the TradingView Referral link. And in this section, I provide you with a URL right here, which allows you, if you use this URL, you will receive a $30 credit on your paid plan. So think about it this way: you're paying $24.95, yet you're getting a $30 credit. Okay, so it's as if you haven't paid anything. You've actually made money on this first subscription. Now, in addition, come to think about it, you already received a 50% discount, and you're already receiving $30 credit. So that means that you will be paying 5 months instead of 12 months. So 5 months for a whole year of service. So that's basically how you can save much more money on TradingView plans. Now, another thing, they normally have discounts on certain holidays and what have you, like Boxing Day and so forth. But this is currently what the best way I can think of in order to save you money on the software. And if you're paying for 5 months, that literally you're actually making this TradingView software cost less than even the Pro plan, yet with so many additional features that you will receive accordingly. So I personally believe the Pro Plus plan is the plan that I would personally go with, which is what I have, and I would stick to that accordingly. Okay, so that's pretty much it about the plans. Let's go back to the charts and let's start learning about the various indicators. So just to summarize pretty quickly, I personally use the following indicators for charting, okay, for all my charts. First of all, I have the moving average, 3 moving averages, which are the 5, the 50, and the 200. And then I have the volume indicator. I have the stochastic RSI. I have the MACD, and I have the TTM squeeze. Okay, so in total, I have 7 indicators, and sometimes I need to add 2 additional indicators, which are the EMA, exponential moving average, 8 and 21, especially when I want to assess whether a TTM squeeze is going to squeeze upwards or downwards accordingly. Okay, so let's start with how to add a moving average line, a simple moving average line. So you have to go to F of X right here, indicators and strategies, click on that. It opens a window of indicators and strategies, and all you need to do is type moving average. And there you go. Right away, you see moving average right there. All you have to do there is click on it as many times as you need. So if you need to add 3 moving averages, you click once, twice, 3 times. Okay, so that's obviously, it did not allow me to add a 3rd time because the limitation is 10 indicators. So let me just erase those. But this is how you add them now, because I already have those indicators. There you go. So moving average 5, 50, and 200. So How do you change the settings? You click on right here. Next, once you add it, you click on settings, and then you change the length to 5 and for the first one, and then you change the length for the second one to 50 and the third one to 200. Okay, same exact process. You click here and do 5. Now and make sure that the source is close. Okay, do not choose any of the other options. It should be close. Okay, offset set to 0. Now when you go to style, here you can choose whichever color you want to go with for your moving average line. So for the 5 moving average line, for example, I chose the blue. Okay, if you want to change that color, you can choose whatever color that you like. Okay, yellow, green, whatever, burgundy, it's up to you. Precision should be set to default. Okay, once you're done, you click OK and you move ahead, and you do the same thing for the 50 hour moving average. Since we're on the hourly chart, once again, I'll just open it for you. See, I have orange and 50 length, close, 0 offset. Now for the 200, yeah, for the 200, yes, exactly. So 200 length, close, 0, and I choose dark blue as the color. Okay, so that's for moving averages. Now for the volume, once again, you go to f of x, indicators and strategies, and you type in volume. Okay, this is what you need to choose. Okay, do not choose something else unless you want the net volume or cumulative volume or what have you. Just click on that and it will add the volume to the chart. Okay, and the volume is, you can see it right here. Okay, there's nothing special about this. If you, just in case if you want to change the colors, you can change it right here in terms of style, input, moving average length 20, and what have you. Just make sure that those are the settings that you have. Okay, now we move on to add the 3 indicators at the bottom. So stochastic RSI. So the stochastic RSI, once again, you go to f of x, indicators and strategies, and you type stochastic RSI. There you go, right there, and you click on it. Once you click on it, you have, it will add it to your chart. Now let's look at the settings. So for the stochastic RSI, you want to make sure that the resolution is set to same as chart. The K value is set to 3, the D value is set to 3, RSI length 14, stochastic length is 14, and RSI source is close. Now for style, once again, you choose whatever colors you want for the K, which is right here, blue, and then the signal, which is orange, and upper band, a lower band, just make sure it's 80 and 20, and background. Those should be the default settings, so make sure that they are as is and do not make any changes. Okay, now the next one that I want to add is the MACD. We go back to f of x, indicators and strategies, and I type MACD. Okay, there you go. This is the one that we want. You click on it and then it will add it to your chart. Let's look at the settings pretty quickly. Inputs, once again, resolution same as chart, fast length 12, slow length 26, source close, and signal smoothing is 9. Okay, do not check the simple MA oscillator or the simple MA signal line if you don't wish to. I do not do it. Okay, the style, once again, it's the coloring, whatever you want to add. For example, the signal is orange, I always keep it orange, and the MACD is blue, and every precision is default. Okay, Now, the last thing that I want to add is the TTM squeeze. So TTM squeeze, I go to FFX, indicators and strategies, and type TTM squeeze. Okay, and it's right there. Okay, so it is right there. Let's just make sure. Yeah, you just need to click that and it will add the TTM squeeze for you. And once again, let's look at the settings. As you can see, the length is 20 and the style is basically the coloring that you want. Those are the dots, the red dots. So just if you want them a different color, just change the color. But know that these are when they appear, this is what results in the TTM squeeze accordingly. Now, if you recall, I said whenever I am deciding whether something is squeezing upwards or downwards, I need to add the exponential moving average. So in order to add the exponential moving average, I go to f of x once again, indicators and strategies, I type exponential, and there you go, moving average exponential. And I click on it twice, 1 and 2. Okay, and then I get out. And in order, what you would need to do, go to settings once again, and all I need is to change this to 8, and then change the coloring since we have blue already. So I'll choose, for example, burgundy, and then okay, and then you go to the other one, click on settings, and then change that to 21, and the style I'll choose yellow, and okay. So now you have on your chart both right there, as you can see, the burgundy and the yellow. So that's the EMA 21 and that's the EMA 8, and surprise, surprise, WSGF. If you've seen me tweeting about it, you'll notice that I said there's a TTM squeeze. And if you've done, or if you've visited my training that I provide on YouTube, along with past video reviews, I say whenever the price is higher than the 8 and the EMA 8 is higher than the EMA 21, that's a good indication that the price is going to squeeze upwards. Okay? Anyways, that's beyond the point. So that's basically what I have on my charts in terms of indicators, and I've given you an overview of the various plans. Once again, choose the plan that you feel is best for you and whatever is fit for purpose, and do not forget, again, subscribe for the first month. You'll get an immediate discount to upgrade to a whole year for 50% discount. And do not forget to go to the description in this video, and you will see a URL that will allow you to receive an additional $30, okay, $30 credit to your account. This way you'll pay 5 months for a full year of service.